Welcome to my channel again. In this video we're going to be working over Cramer's rule. Now this is to understand this rule, actually there's a very long process and there's a lot of back knowledge that you need. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the simplified version. I'm just going to go straight up to tell you exactly what we need and how we're going to do it, and then we're going to go over an example. Okay, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying these videos. And also the other thing that I wanted to add was that after this video there will be another video uploaded with more problems for you to solve. That way you can get some practice. All right, so let's jump into Cramer's rule. Well, first of all, the essence of Cramer's rule is that we're going to find the determinant of the constant, okay, the constant, and that constant we're going to call it D. We're going to find also the determinant of X, and we're going to find the determinant of Y. Okay, now the way that we can find these determinants, or the determinant of the constant, is going to be in this particular case, A1, B1, A2, B2. And well, you already know how to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, which in this case it will be A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1. Well, to find the determinant of X, right, now we're trying to find the determinant of the x's. What we're going to do is it's going to be C1, B1, C2, B2. So this is going to be equal to, C1 times B2 minus C2 times B1. And well, the determinant of Y is going to be A1, C1, A2, C2, which is going to be equal to, A1 times C2 minus A2 times C1. Now, why am I doing this? Because in order to solve a system of equations using Cramer's rule, we can use a short path or a shortcut, okay? Now, how are we going to evaluate X? Well, X is going to be nothing more, nothing less than the determinant of X divided by the determinant of the coefficient. And Y is going to be the determinant of Y divided by the determinant of the coefficient. Now make sure that you write this down, because we're going to do an example right now and we're going to use this formula, okay, to find X and Y, So hopefully you wrote that down. You can always pause the video or go back. Now let's work through this problem, okay? Let's solve this system of equations using Cramer's rule. Let's work through this problem and let's use Cramer's rule. Okay, now the first thing, by the way, we're using Cramer's rule. The first thing that we need is to find the determinant of the constant. And let me just label this very quickly. Let me see, let me give another color here. That will be A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. So how am I going to do that? Okay, how am I going to find the determinant of the constant? Well, we have these formulas here. Okay, these formulas here that will help us find the value of X and Y. Remember that when we're solving a system, we're trying to find the values of X and Y that make both equations true. So let's continue on this. So we have the determinant of D. Well, the determinant of D, let me change the color there. The determinant of D is going to be 2, -5, 3, and 4. Okay, A1, B1, A2, B2. And well, that's equal to 2 times 4 minus 3 times negative 5. And well, over here we get 8 plus 15, and that's equal to 23. Now the next thing that we have to do is find the determinant of x. And remember that the reason we're doing this is because x is going to be the determinant of x divided by the determinant of the constant, and y is going to be the determinant of y divided by the determinant of the constant. So let's find the determinant of x. Well, that's going to be 11 and 5 here, and then negative 5 and 4. Well, what is that equal to? 11 times 4 minus 5 times negative 5. 5 times negative 5. Okay, so that gives me 44 plus 25, which is equal to 69. 44 plus 25 is 69. Well, there's one more thing that we need in order to find the value of y, and that is the determinant of y. And how do we do that? Well, that will be, I'm going to write a matrix here, 2, 11, 3, and 5. Okay, and that will be 2 times 5 minus 3 times 11, which is equal to, well, 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 11 is negative 33. Sorry, it's 33, but because of that minus, it's negative 33. This gives me negative 23. Now that we have the determinant of the constant, the determinant of x, and the determinant of y, let's use these formulas here to find x and y. Well, the determinant of x is 69, and the determinant of the constant is 23. Well, what is 69 divided by 23? 69 divided by 23 is 3. And then we have y here. Well, the determinant of y is negative 23. The determinant of the constant is positive 23. And that gives me negative 1. Now the last thing that I have to do is write this as an order pair. And this is my answer. The value of x is 3. The value of y is negative 1. One more time. All I did here was use these equations that I have here, right? This is the determinant of the constant, the determinant of x, the determinant of y. I found each of those determinants, okay, which is 23, 69, and negative 23. And lastly, I use the last formula to find x and y, which is the determinant of x divided by the determinant of the constant, and to find y is the determinant of y divided by the determinant of the constant. Okay, so all of this comes from those equations. Now remember to write down your answer as an order pair. Make sure you write down your answer as an order pair. If you don't write it as an order pair, then sadly you have not completed the problem. All right, one more time, if you enjoy this type of videos, please subscribe. This helps me to help you.